Today we will be making one of the Christmas special. Usually it is with pork, but I would be doing with chicken. So it's called Chicken Vindaloo. The recipe for 1 kg chicken. This is the chicken, boneless chicken, which is washed, and you have to pat dry it. And we take around 20 Kashmiri chillies. And before you start any of this process, you need to first take one onion and you need to keep it on the gas and roast it, like how you do it for roasting of brinjal. Similarly, that way you keep it for say about 6 minutes, not more than that. And once it's cooled, then you peel it off and you can use it to with the other masala to grind into a fine paste. Now here goes a small ball of tamarind, say about 10 cloves, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 inch cinnamon, say about 1.5 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 inch ginger. All this you take, all the ingredients with the chilies, you grind it into a fine paste with vinegar. Okay, there should be not a drop of water, just vinegar. Once this paste is done, marinate it with this masala. For better results and for good taste, it's better you keep it for overnight. This is basil, ginger julienne, 1 fine onion, finely chopped tomatoes, oil and salt. So you take the oil. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for chicken vindaloo. Start with our prep. Okay, I take oil. You don't need to take more. I'll say about 2 tablespoons of oil is enough. Once it's heated, you add onion. Now I will add bay leaf and julienne. This is the meat which I have marinated it last night with the same masala. Now you add the tomatoes. And you have add one big cinnamon. Now you can add the marinated chicken. In the masala I did not add sugar, so I am adding it right now. So for vindaloos, it's better to use Kashmiri chilies. See, when you use Kashmiri chilies, you get a good color and it is not spicy. I take this wine. Okay, you can use any red wine. Take about 15 ml. Okay. If you want it more, you can add more. Choice is all yours. So I'll just leave it. I'll cover it up. I'll just leave it. Yeah. The vindaloo is ready, and we'll do the plating. I'll show you. Okay, it's done.